2019 F-150. It's an XLT, as you can see. We've done lots to it. Lift kit, wheels, exhaust, tonneau cover, lots of stuff. Can't remember it all. Only has 1,300 kilometers on it. Backup camera, reverse sensing, remote entry, remote start. We do have navigation in there. Big twin panel moonroof to go with the power leather heated front seats. BBR Brown Brothers Racing. Trailer brake controller for you. Beautiful truck. You're going to find it. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln. You'll find us 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.